Looking for a reliable and capable filter that doesn't cost more than the tank or the pond itself? Stay tuned to find out how I did exactly that for under $50 and was able to take care of my 1,000-gallon pool pond.
The W under you reppin' the city and swamp. But if you ever enacting and never to hate me, will not hesitate to get raw. Not at all. In closing, let me issue this warning. I'm out the swamp, dog, meaning I'm at my best when it's storming. I'm making boom.
What up, squad? And hello to anybody just passing on through. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one, and so many more here on the Swamp Squad channel. Alrighty, and with that, let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Ignore the mess. As you can see, this is kind of my catch-all area here underneath the tank, which is why eventually I plan to make a bookshelf stand, so be on the lookout for that. That'll be coming up here in the next couple of months. But anyway, I initially bought this canister filter right here to handle what was at the time my 30-gallon tank for the turtle, and I paid $100 for this on Amazon. It was said that it was recommended for turtle tanks, rated up to a 75-gallon tank, and I had to clean it out like every 2 weeks or the water would get gross and just smell like nasty rotten swamp and stink up my whole house. Versus, keeping the fish in here. I've had up to 15 cichlids in here at a time, and it handles them just well up in the 55 here. So I needed something that was going to handle the turtle tank, and I wasn't trying to spend $300 plus on one of the more expensive canister filters. So I decided to try my hand on it and see if I could make my own. Alrighty, let's go ahead and unplug this real quick. So you can hear, because as you can see, or as you can hear, it's pretty loud. So hang on just a second. Alright guys, still waiting on this to finish pouring out. It's like it never ends, even though it's unplugged. But anyway, as you can see, I use this 5-gallon Teddy Cats container, not sponsored, but you can use any 5-gallon container, or whatever size I guess you need. Then I just drilled some holes out the front there, put in 3 half-inch output PVC pipes, figuring I'm running, let's see, I can get a good shot here. Running like 1-inch hose intake off of a 395-gallon per hour Eco Plus submersible pump. I got that off Amazon for under $25. Link will be in the description. So I figure if there's an inch going in, half-inch plus half-inch plus half-inch is 1.5 inches out. Obviously, I don't know if there's any legitimacy to that math, or maybe there is and I just don't know it. But I wanted some water, but obviously not to overflow it. So I placed it up about, a little under halfway up the bucket, figuring about 2 gallons of water worth of height. And then on the inside here, we just run the input hose through the side and into this old sock that I don't wear no more. And inside of there, some pot scrubbies. So I mean, obviously we got our stage 1, our mechanical filtration with the sock, and then there's probably 2 pounds of activated carbon bags sitting in there, and probably about a dozen or so of these pot scrubbies. So we got our mechanical, our chemical, and our biological filtration handled in here, which is why I like a little bit of water to be able to pool up in here to keep that bacteria moist and alive. And then also that way when needed I can run heaters in here, and the heaters can be submerged. So, yeah, I pretty much think that about covers it. And as you can see, you know, got turtle, got 4 goldfish, and it keeps this water pretty clean. Let's see if we can get rid of that. See, without the flash on even. You know, you can see all the way through it. Also got big plans for little Miss Fraz here. I plan to build a little pond, minus the mess. This is why I need ponds. You can see these catch-alls. Look at all this rubbish. I'm going to cover it with a pond, and then I can't collect no rubbish. Genius, I tell you, genius. But yeah, gonna build like a 7-foot long little, you know, pond essentially, countertop pond. So be on the watch out for that one too. That one will be coming up in the next couple months also. You know, just gotta take care of a few things, get a couple things in order, and then I'm gonna get to making those. Alrighty guys, if you're still with us at this point, Miss Frass here says go ahead and drop a like so that she knows to let me know that y'all like these kind of videos, and we'll keep making more like this. Or you know, if you guys have come up with any ideas of your own, or got any comments or thoughts or opinion you want to add on how I could be doing things a little bit different, drop them in the comments. I'd love to interact with you guys and start a conversation about it. So guys, for under $50, depending on your parts, you know, like I had obviously the cat litter pail. You know, you got cats, you gotta buy cat litter, so that's already around. But you know, you can usually get a brand new 5-gallon bucket from Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, wherever, for like $3-4, a couple bucks more with the lid. So we'll say $6 for a brand new 5-gallon with lid. A hose was left over from that canister filter, but otherwise, again, Lowe's, usually you can get 1-inch tubing for like $1 or so a foot. The pump's the most expensive part, but like I said, you can get this Eco Plus 395 gallon per hour. Again, the link will be in the description, off Amazon. Sitting in front of me right now on my computer screen, it's $23.40 right now. So, you know, and I've always known somewhere around there, but I've never paid more than $25 for one. And then, you know, depending on how expensive your active carbon is, that's going to determine a lot of your cost. But so 50, 60 or less, still a lot less than 100, or you know, for the $300 or $500 canister filters I've seen go online, you know, 50, 60, having for a bid, you know, $75 or something, you're still gonna be saving money and getting a, you know, a much more reliable, dependable, longer lasting filter if you put it all together yourself. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I got on this one, guys. So, you know, again, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more stuff like this. We do a couple other things on our channel. We like motorsports. We like random things. So be sure to check out some of our other videos. And you know, you got anything to say? Drop it in the comments. Or you got something to share? Send us an email. It's littleswampsquad@gmail.com. Again, I'll throw that link in the description. All our links to our social media is on our channel. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Mic drop.
Sleeping on my city, we lyrical by committee. The swamp is stomping them, you know one drama, I mean not any.